here is Cricut Explorer Air 2. It's the serial number or ticket number. Here is serial number, ticket number. Say that again. Okay, here's power supply cord. I will plug it in here. Let me come over here and show it. Right here. Here. Okay. Now I'm gonna plug it into the outlet.
You need to.
Light is green.
Light
And I'll turn it on. Here is the inside of the machine. A little light is on. That's it. Again, here's the